HVAC systems work silently behind the scenes, yet they control comfort, safety, and efficiency in homes, offices, factories, malls, and hospitals. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And together these systems manage temperature, airflow, humidity, and indoor air quality. At the core of every cooling system is one simple principle: heat transfer. HVAC systems don't create cold, they remove heat from indoor spaces and release it outside. This happens through the refrigeration cycle, which consists of four main components: the compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. The compressor pushes refrigerant as a hot, high-pressure gas, which then flows to the condenser where heat is released to the outside air, and the refrigerant turns into a liquid. The expansion valve suddenly drops the pressure, making the refrigerant cold. And this cold refrigerant enters the evaporator, where it absorbs heat from the room air, cooling the space before returning to the compressor to repeat the cycle. Different HVAC systems use the same principle in different ways. Split air conditioners, commonly used in homes and offices, have an indoor unit that cools the room and an outdoor unit that rejects heat. VRF systems connect multiple indoor units to a single outdoor unit and intelligently adjust refrigerant flow based on each room's demand, making them ideal for commercial buildings. Chiller systems cool water instead of air and circulate that chilled water to air handling units, making them suitable for large buildings, hospitals, and industrial plants that require continuous cooling. Along with cooling, ventilation plays a critical role by bringing in fresh air and removing heat, moisture, odors, and contaminants, because poor airflow leads to hot spots, higher energy consumption, and system failure. Even the best designed HVAC system cannot perform properly if installation or maintenance is poor. Skipped vacuuming, incorrect refrigerant charging, blocked airflow, and dirty filters reduce efficiency and damage equipment over time. When HVAC systems are designed correctly, installed properly, and maintained regularly, they deliver stable temperatures, lower electricity bills, longer equipment life, and improved comfort and productivity. If you found this animated explanation helpful, subscribe for more HVAC knowledge, engineering insights, and real-world project breakdowns, and stay cool.